Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Today's DIY is a floral basket door wreath. So if you want to see how that's going to turn out, stay tuned. And here we are guys, jumping right into it. I have two floral foam pieces. I have an arrangement or an array of flowers in a yellow, cream, and green hues. We also have some glitter gold berries that will help pull this look together. And that material there, I didn't get to do anything with it. It was supposed to be turned into a ribbon of some sort. And we also have the basket. So let's get started, guys. Alright guys, so what I have next, I took the two styrofoam cubes, floral cubes, and I glued them together. And so I'm going to now put them inside this basket. Yeah, I think I need to put this up against the back of the basket, but what I'm going to do is put some paper down in the bottom here, and I was thinking about maybe putting something heavy like rocks, because they don't have the basket that this is being made for, they don't have storm doors out there, and everybody's whatever decorations is on their door is just loose. So what I think I'll do to give it a little weight, so I'm going to put some stones in the bottom, a bag of stones in the bottom. All right, here you go. I'm going to put marble. This is pretty heavy, so I'm going to bag it up, and I'll be putting this in the bottom of the basket. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I put those marbles in this plastic bag inside of a plastic bag, so that way if it ever falls, you know, it won't be so easy to bust and marbles be all over the place. So, and I'm going to take the foam, and that foam, floral foam, will be attached to the back of this basket on it from the inside, of course. It'll sit in there like that, and the marbles are underneath the foam. Here I have green floral wire. This is what I'll be using to stick through the foam and through the back. So I have cut off at least 15 inches of wire. This is definitely more than a foot. Let's see. Oh yeah, definitely. This is about 1.5 feet. Yeah, 1.5 feet of wire. And I'm going to fish this through from this side. The challenge is to get this wire to go through. And there's the wire. And I'm just going to twist these two wires together. And twist it the best way I can. And then I'll just mash it down. There. It's in there pretty snug, I think. Okay. And here is where I begin to arrange the flowers in the basket. And here I'm using the long cascading fillers to bring drama to this basket, as I use the green hydrangeas to build the rest of the flower arrangement around. This is what I have going on so far, guys. This is a work in progress. I am trying to create a nice even flow as far as height, color, and I also want to create the cascading vibe to this basket. And with all the arranging and rearranging and arranging the rearrangement, this is what I came up with. I think it turned out really pretty. What do you guys think? The colors are so vibrant. It is really, really nice. If you guys like the content in my video today, give me a thumbs up for a like. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. And don't forget to tap that notification bell so when I come up with my next video, you will know. And guys, don't forget to share. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.